Hey guys, it's just me, Just Christian. So, it's day 54 of the Enhanced Community Quarantine, and for today we'll be doing a video which is a tutorial on how to record a song cover using your GarageBand app on your Mac or on your MacBook or iPod. Pwede rin sa iPhone if you have the app. So it is a built-in app on those Apple devices na pwede mong gamitin to record a song, to record a music. So as you can see, my naka hairband ako today because my hair is too long. Hindi ko pa siya napapagupitan. Hindi ko pa siya napapagupitan since nung nag-enhance community quarantine because wala mang bukas na barbershop. So please bear with my hair for today's video. And so, by the way, I uploaded a video also of a song cover of the song Officially Missing You. I recorded that song using the GarageBand app of my MacBook Air, and then I filmed the video, and then I just inserted the audio clip on that video. So for today's video, we will be using an earphones, of course, for you to hear yourself, just to monitor your voice. Also, this earphone should have a microphone so that when you record a song, your voice will be recorded, of course. And then also a laptop. I have here my laptop. With me. And then i-record ko na lang. At I will be attaching the recording here on this side, in this part. So let's start. Another tip when you want to record a song, when you want to screen record on your Mac, just open QuickTime Player and then click File here, and then click the new screen recording, and it will record the full screen of your MacBook. And then you can also choose on what part lang kayo pwede mag-record, or kung alin part lang yung screen nyo yung gusto nyo record. But for me, I will be recording the full screen. So after opening the QuickTime Player, for this tutorial, we will be using, like what I said earlier, the GarageBand app. Open the GarageBand app, and then it will load your previous recording. So in my case, I recorded Officially Missing You. So as you can see, ito po siya, the screen. But for today, we'll be doing a new recording. So just choose a new project. So it will show you this track. You can use a software instrument, also audio drummer. Since I do not have any musical instrument to record with me, at hindi rin ako marunong mag-play ng any musical instrument, I will just choose record using a microphone. And here, click nyo lang tong media button, and then it will show you your medias. So punta ka lang sa music, and then andito yung mga music mo. If may mga instrumental ka or karaoke na dinownload from the net, lalabas rin siya dito. So we will be choosing Disney Piano Classics kasi meron dito A Whole New World. I will be recording that song. So just import that, adjust it at the start, and then choose only the track na gagamitin mo for this, since it is an album. Hindi mo naman i-record lahat ng song na meron dito. So choose lang ng isa, and then just, since ito yung end nung first music or first song, split playhead and then just delete the next or the following music. So ito na siya. This is the audio of Whole New World, and then Just also to avoid the clicking sound, ano ba yun, yung tempo. Hindi ko alam eh. Just to avoid also yung tunog or yung background noise na parang ganun yung tunog eh, parang snap. Just off this metronome button at ano bang button to? Count and button. So just off those buttons para hindi nyo rin marinig yung or hindi kayo ma-annoy dun sa sound na hindi kayo ma-annoy dun sa sound na yan. And then since meron na tayong audio, we would want to record of course the song. Just click here the plus button and we'll show you again the track, and then choose again this. So we'll show you this audio number 2, and then choose the voice effect that of your choice. But for me, I will just choose bright vocal. And then for bright vocal, it has already adjusted the buttons here, the control buttons here. Since hindi ko rin alam yung ibig sabihin ng mga control buttons na yan. But if you know the meaning of those control buttons, it will be easier for you to adjust for yourself. So for me, I will just be adjusting some few of these control buttons. So I will just click the noise gate. So pag na turn on mo yung noise gate, while you are recording, you will not record those unnecessary noise around you. Like for example, tunog ng electric fan or yung mga tahol ng aso sa labas or tilapong manok. So hindi nyo ma-record yun. Also, feedback protection. We have to turn on feedback protection and monitoring. So when you turn on monitoring, you will be hearing. So maririnig mo yung voice mo while you are recording dito. Maririnig mo yung voice mo sa earphones, of course. Para rin aware ka if you're out of tune or not. And then, for me, I will just turn the echo button on. Here, the echo button. And then, I will just adjust the reverb until dito lang sa middle part. And then for the ambience, stay at this, as it is. So, yun lang naman yung mga ina-adjust ko when it comes to the main voice for recording. So, I'm not familiar with the terms. So, basta yun lang yung mga ina-adjust ko na control buttons before recording. And then also this, para rin marinig mo kung gaano para marinig mo yung boses mo, you can adjust this volume of your voice para marinig mo while you are recording. So I will just keep it in here. And then start recording. So let's click the part lang kung saan mag-start yung song. And then click the record button para mag-start yung record, and then you can now place the mic kung saan ka mas comfortable. Ang advice ko lang, medyo malapit sa mouth pero hindi sobrang lapit since medyo sensitive yung microphone. Or if you are using other types of microphone na may filter, then mas okay yun. Then start, again, click record. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming a whole new world. A dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Yan. So for example, natapos, you will be just clicking the stop the record button. May stop button dito kanina. And then if you want to insert some vocals or background vocals, tama ba? Background vocals. Basta vocals. Or mga second voice, ganun. Just click again the plus button. And katulad lang ng ginawa natin kanina, we have to choose bright vocal. But for this, let's turn off the monitor for the first vocal, for the main voice. And then turn the monitor dito, and then also the noise gate. And then for this, I will be adjusting the amount of echo since it is a background vocal. And then the ambience will be placed at the middle part of this controller. And then for the reverb button, dito lang, second, yan. And then turn on nyo lang then yung echo. And then that's it. Make sure that you are clicking here. So, on this part, minsan, now I'm in a whole new world. Now I'm in a whole new world with you. Then you can add that vocal dito. Yung second voice na yun. I will just adjust rin the volume kung saan ka mas comfortable na lakas ng vocals, ng second vocal. For the second vocals, again, identify the part kung saan ka sa start nung second vocal or nung second voice, and then click record, click the record button, and then start recording. Now I'm in a whole new world with you. So that's it. And then yun, ganun lang ka mag-add ng vocals, and then hanggang sa matapos yung song, pwede kang mag-add ng mga second voice or kung anong mang gusto mong idagdag na effects. So pwede mo rin pumili ng voice effects dito sa gilid. Meron ditong library, you can choose classic vocal, compressed vocal, dance vocal, edge vocal, and the others until the experimental. So that's it. Yun lang naman yung mga ginagawa ko. And then, how to save. Once you're done recording, paano mo masasave siya as a music file, as an MP3. So just click the share button, and then export song to disk. Click export song to disk, and then save as put a title, of course. For example, a whole new world song cover, and then click lang the MP3, and then click kung saan folder nyo gustong isave, and then you can choose low quality, medium quality, high quality, highest quality. But pag nag-click ka ng highest quality, it will take time since mas mataas yung file size. So I'll just be choosing high quality and then export. Then so once it is exporting, ayan, makikita nyo yan, bouncing nakalagay. And I will just finish and then convert. It will just be converting to MP3. So after converting to MP3, you will be seeing the MP3 file kung saan folder mo siya sinave. So here is the MP3 file sa aking desktop. And then if you want to record also a video, then just record a video singing that song, and then detach the audio from that video, and then delete that audio, and then insert the music or yung audio file ng recording mo para yun yung magiging voice or yung magiging sound ng video mo. So yun lang. So let's try to play it again para marinig nyo if ano yung real yung sound ng song. So I will just be inserting the audio in the video that I recorded using my camera para din marinig. This audio, medyo malakas yung volume ng instrumental, so I will be adjusting it. Pero depende sa inyo if anong adjustment yung gagawin nyo. Depende sa instrumental, depende rin sa voice. In my case, hindi naman ganun kagandahan ng boses ko. Hindi masyado kasing rinig yung voice. Let's try this.
Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. I'm in a whole new world with you.
So yun, nakuha ko na yung right amount of volume, so I will just be saving it again like what I have did earlier. Export, and that's it. So ganun lang yung mga ginagawa kong adjustments when it comes to recording a song cover. Ngayon ko lang din siya na-try, this month ko lang na-try since I am very curious on how to use this GarageBand app. I explored the different functions of this app, and yun, ganun ko lang siya ginagamit. So that's it for this video. If you want something new about my contents, pwede kayong mag-request. Just comment it down below or comment it on the comment box. Ano ba yung mga gusto nyong videos na gawin ko pa during these enhanced community quarantine. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications of my new video uploads. Bye!